Welcome. This is just a quick demonstration of some of the 2D and 3D capabilities of Genesis CAD. I'm running the 64-bit version of Genesis CAD here. The basic idea is just to show how we can use 2D geometry to then create something in 3D. So what I'm going to do is just use some very basic drawing commands to create something. This is just a thing, it's a widget. But it just shows some of the capabilities of the software. So I'm going to draw a rectangle over here, starting at that corner there, 600 wide, by 1200 high. I'm going to then draw something that starts 1000 from there and 2000 in Y, and then I'm going to step off from a point over there. We're going to go left 1000 and down 2000. So that creates two rectangles, one within the other. I'm now going to use the blend command, blend with a radius of 1000, and I'm going to indicate the various corners of the two blocks that I've just created. So this is all 2D drawing work, very simple stuff. Then I'm going to draw a couple of circles with a radius of 500, but I'm going to snap to the center points of these existing arcs over there. So you can see that the system is snapping for me and it's creating the geometry there for me. Now I'm going to zoom in a little bit and I'm going to create lines that are tangential to these circles like that. It's in effect like I'm creating eventually it's going to be cut out like a groove. I'm going to delete some entities over there to get rid of them, and they are now away. They were in so-called phantom mode while they were being deleted. I'm now going to use this geometry to extrude it into 3D, and then I'm going to add a few more bits and pieces to it. So let's select ourselves a material. We are going to use an extrude trace command. The offset from 0, the XY plane is 0. It's going to go up in Z by 1000, and I'm now pointing to the various outlines and pressing do it. Now I'm going to go into the 3D part of the system, and there the system has created that extrusion. It is 1000 high, it's a mesh, and it's got wireframe switched on. I'm now going to use another material called glass, and I'm going to fill in the holes of that mesh with a glass material, and by doing that I'm going to enter 0 for the offset, which means fill in glass, and I'm going to step down by 250, and I'm just going to indicate the outside face and that outside face there, and you'll now notice that the holes have been filled in with a glass material. I'm now going to select another material. It doesn't really matter what it is at this moment in time, something over there, and we are going to use the extrude face command to use the glass panels as the source of something that will be extruded. So instead of doing this now in 2D, I'm doing this in 3D. There we go. I've created some panels on top of the glass. I'm going to select another type of material, and I'm now going to use the offset face command again, but this time I'm going to offset it by 250 and down by 250, and I'm going to indicate those faces over there. You can see the system automatically offsets those faces for me. I'm then going to delete these panels. I don't need them anymore. They were just there to help me to construct something. Get rid of them. You can now see the glass is back again. And I'm going to pick another material, and I'm just going to do the same offset, but using the face over there and the face over there. So this is using quite a number of functions to create. Well, you're probably never going to ever build anything like this, but it shows some of the commands in the system to create some 3D geometry.